Okay, Jeff, here we are back in the workshop again with your tilting frame jig.
Yep.
It's now tilted over. Look, we can see that move.
Well, it goes right. It do a
right
360 degrees.
Yeah,
so you can go right round.
Okay, and we just came in then, and you were busily cleaning up those wells
Yeah, I've just gassed round there, but it's gone a little bit. I might have to just
do a bit more work on
that. It's just a bit low there, so I might just have to warm it. The thing, I could do that once it's out the jig. It won't matter doing them little bits.
And at the back, last time we were here, you were working on those rear sections of the frame.
Yeah.
Trying to get them aligned so that when you weld them to the frame, the spindle and so on was spot on. So have you done that now?
Yeah, that's
okay, well let me come round this side then, past you.
I've had to
dun, 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 dun. And hopefully we can see what's going on here. Okay, so I've moved the camera around, Jeff, and I see you've now got this back end in place.
Yeah. This is all in, I've actually measured that. I've had a centre of it. Actually, it's about a mil out, one of them. I think.
Well, I think we'll live with that.
What's happening is sometimes when you're welding away, the bit of move, it can move a fraction, but
okay.
I put that piece of studding in to hold it until we decide what's
on at the back.
These have been slugged here because I've extended. We cut all the original bracket things away, and it was easy just to extend them. The trouble is there where I've welded it.
Yeah, you can see there.
The joint was a little bit wider, and I thought.
Yeah, you can fill that full of blood if need be.
Well, the thing is, it's on the inside, and I'm thinking if a bracket's going to get welded there across or something,
well, you won't see it anyway.
It's not worth spending all the time to get it.
Okay, but having said that, this looks like a little bit rough here.
I've gassed that up, and I've done. I had to put a slot in it, so I've knocked two insert. I've knocked the insert up into there about 1.25 at least.
Right, so that's not going to go anywhere.
And now once it's all linished, it'll turn.
Yeah, I mean,
you'll be very lucky to see the joint.
That looks awful at the moment, but when it's all cleaned up,
when it's all linished and rubbed in.
I mean, the main thing is, of course, that everything's aligned, everything's straight, and of course, this this swing arm pivot is now 14 mil.
Now
14 mil. Is it 14? 20, sorry.
20. It's out to
sorry, I was thinking about
swing,
things there. Yeah, okay, 20 mil from.
We've just cleaned the front ones up.
Yeah.
To get these mounts on, and I can weld them on.
Yeah.
Which is what I was just going to do before you turned up.
Before I turned up and stop you. Okay, good. So as you can see, you can turn it round.
It's great now because you can put it like that and go. Bzz.
Yeah, it's a lot easier than trying to move it, isn't it? So it's all nicely bolted down, we should be okay.
Yeah, just a touch of it.
Okay.
A fraction low there, but
you can build it up. We can build it up.
I think. Well, depending what you have done with the frame.
I want it right. I don't want it big.
No. But it's like these odd tiny little marks in the tubes. I think once it's black, I don't know.
Well, it's powder coated. That'll hide a lot of the smallish.
We want to try and get out, and rub it and smooth it.
Yeah, it'll be decent when it's finished anyway.
Yeah.
Okay.
But just while that's there, I'll give that a. You can get the thingy in now.
Yeah.
Okay, just do a little bit. Is it filming me working?
Sorry?
Is it filming me working?
Yeah. I know it's a rare thing seeing you work, but yeah, we are.
And, if you can get the camera in there.
Yeah, we can do that. Just a second. We'll refocus.
If you come round here.
Yeah. Okay, so I've zoomed in now. We can see that weld.
That one should smell. That's not quite. I've just done that little bit,
mark there.
but there's a tiny little.
Yeah.
But
we'll work
once that's blasted or primed, you would have to get a magnifying glass to. If once it's black.
Yeah.
You know.
Okay. Well, in that case, I'll leave you to that. I'll go drink tea.
This is.
And we'll come back in a little while.
Well, I'll get them welded on.
Yep.
And then. It's bloody marvellous at the moment. Ooh.
Get me tea and biscuits now.
I'll grab that.
Yeah, I'll get my tea and biscuits and you carry on welding.
Is it still running?
Yeah.
Oh. You can delete the splitting, is it? Oh, look at that. Hey? If I hadn't seen it myself, I wouldn't have believed it. Well, not bad. Now, the thing is, let's get the one down there. This is awkward now, because even though it's on the jig, it's I'll have to use another rod. That's better. I'll just have to tickle that little bit. When you come round and run round the top, you sometimes get a little lump just there. I mean, originally they're only welded on two sides. Well, like with the side stand bracket, when I just put a run, I clean it as best I can, but when you start to melt it, because it's got rust and that between, it makes the weld go a bit funny, so I'd rather get it all sealed. It's no place for dampness or rot to set in then. Rot to set in.
Okay, Jeff, you're just saying there that there's certain parts of that frame now you can't really weld with the engine in place. It's very difficult to get at, so you've done enough now, so nothing's going to move. So in a minute, you're going to take the engine out, and I say in a minute, in a little while, you'll take the engine out, and then you can get at the rest of those welds.
What we're now doing is putting a piece in across here.
Oh yeah, we're going to brace it, yeah.
Brace it there.
Yeah, we're going to brace the frame.
Now, the question is, we could put some, where this is joined here, we could put a tube across here, or I don't think we'll be having an airbox in it.
I don't know yet, we'll have to wait and see. Don't put a tube across there just yet. We might want to do one day, but not yet.
Yeah.
There's still a long way to go yet.
It's a tube at the bottom here.
Yes.
Because on that Kawasaki GPZ, we won't want something going across here.
Yeah, to brace the whole thing.
Because on that one, I've put a mount here, and when I make that billet thing that goes on here, you can put a bottom mount in.
Yeah,
so
that's right.
I might find a tube now that'll go across, tack it in, and
yeah, that's another point. Yeah. This frame started off life as a Z650. It's going to be powered by a tuned GPZ 1100, and that frame's going to be modified quite a lot. It's already been modified a lot, but it's going to be braced everywhere we can to make sure it's good and strong enough to take the power and the brakes and everything else. Yeah. So anyway, early days yet, early days. It's now time for more tea, so we'll come back next week and see how that frame is getting on. Okay? Well, he's lost him. He's looking at his wells. Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. We can.
Anything else you want to say about the frame?
No.
Before we go.
Put a bit more work just in that there. I don't know if it's a bit low.
Yeah, it's a bit of a bump. Bit of a bump.
But just once it's draw filed and what have you, and
cleaned up a bit, it'll be okay.
Yeah.
And then next time we come back, we shall talk about what's going to happen with that engine, because that's where things get quite interesting.
That engine or the one upstairs?
Well, a engine I should say. The engine that's going to go in that bike.
This is just a set of cases.
Yeah, the engine I should say, because it ain't going to be standard. But we'll come to that next time round in about a week or so. So till then, thanks for watching and cheers.